Article 1156. An obligation is a juridical necessity to give, to do, or not to do. Article 1157. Obligations arise from law, contracts, quasi-contracts, acts or omissions punished by law, and quasi-delicts. Article 1163. Every person obliged to give something is also obliged to take care of it with the proper diligence of good father of a family, unless the law or the stipulation of the parties requires another standard of care. Article 1172. Responsibility arising from fraud is demandable in all obligations. Any waiver of an action for future fraud is void. Article 1207. The concurrence of two or more creditors or of two or more debtors in one and the same obligation does not imply that each one of the former has a right to demand or that each one of the latter is bound to render entire compliance with the prestation. There is a solidary liability only when the obligation expressly so states, or when the law or the nature of an obligation requires solidarity.